Dear friends, how do you feel when you're asked to come to the intensive care unit to face a difficult patient who is at risk, who has a diagnostic dilemma, a challenge? Well, if you like such cases, so I ask you to come to our pediatric session in the Autoimmunity meeting, where I'll present a young girl, a 15-year-old girl with lupus, but who also might have catastrophic APLA, or thrombotic thrombocytopenic purpura, or macrophagic activating syndrome, or all of them together. So come to attend. I look forward to seeing many of you in the big autoimmunity meeting. So looking forward to meet you all together in Slovenia in 17 to 20 of May. Bye. See you.